Hello, hope you're having a great day. In this video, we're going to learn how to send messages to the admin via Servilink platform. Just in case you have any power issues, service fee issues, or problems with your visitors management, all you have to do is send us email and send us a message using your phone app or going to our Servilink website. Our Servilink website still remains servilink.ng. So once you click on it, you go to your residence profile, click on dashboard, enter your email address and password. For this, I'm going to use administrator. Then once you're in, you click on message. I already have messages and send. Those for trials. Click on new request. You type the subject of your issue. If it's a payment transaction failure, if you didn't receive any token, all you have to do is just type out your subject. Make it bold and clear. So for this one, I'm going to choose token now received. Then I press the category, which is power unit purchase. Then enter my text, good day admin. I made payments for power. Via paystack. I received an email confirming the transaction, but I didn't receive the token. Attached is a copy or screenshot of my payment receipt for evidence. Thanks and warm regards. Then you choose your file. Click on the document or the screenshots that you have. Then click on send. Once you click on send, you see the email here. Now this email is in all requests. Is unread and is pending. Once the admin replies, you see that the email will start, the message is sent will start processing, and you have a change in value here, which will be 1. Once he or she has resolved the issue, they'll send you a message which you get the status of your